CompTIA ITF Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.1 Explain the purpose of operating systems. Disk management. In the context of an operating system, disk management refers to the way the operating system organizes and provides structure for file and data management. Imagine your computer's storage as a big cabinet with drawers. Disk management is like arranging files neatly into different drawers, labeling them for easy retrieval, and ensuring there's enough space for new files without causing clutter. Or you can think of your computer's storage as a massive bookshelf, and the operating system is the librarian that organizes all the books on each separate shelf. Similarly, by using disk management tools, we can also create separate logical compartments on our storage devices, called partitions. A partition is a separate and distinct section or compartment of a storage device. It acts as a virtual division, allowing you to organize and manage data separately from other partitions. In Windows, for example, we can access the Disk Management utility and create a new partition for any portion of a drive that is unallocated or is not currently in use. The thick red line represents where I have added a partition. In addition to creating a partition, we can shrink a partition or decrease the allocated space. We can also extend a partition, or increase the allocated space. And finally, we can delete a partition altogether. When deleting a partition, however, please be aware that any data inside of it will be lost. Now, let's talk about hidden partitions. These are partitions that are not readily visible to the user. Hidden partitions are often used for system recovery or specific system functions. They are typically hidden from the user to prevent accidental tampering or deletion. But they will still be visible with disk management tools. Let me create a hypothetical scenario for you to help you understand. If you were to purchase a 1 terabyte hard drive, but after installation you notice it only offered 900 gigabytes of storage space, the first thing you might want to do is use the operating system's disk management tool to see if the drive has any hidden partitions, as a hidden partition might be responsible for the missing 100 gigabytes of storage space. And that wraps up the basics of disk management. On to the next video and the next OS function. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.